Want to compare plans in Word? I'll show the exact menu path, plus a faster way to review options. By the end, you'll know where to open plan details, what to compare, and how to confirm your choice. First, open Word and go to File, then Account. From the File backstage, choose Account. That's where Word shows your current subscription, product info, and plan-related links. Use File, then Account to reach your subscription details. Next, click Manage Account or View Plans. Open the plan comparison page, then look for differences in included features, billing period, and whether the plan is for one person or multiple users. A faster route is Alt plus F, then press A for Account. Pro tip: compare the feature list before the price. Billing cadence matters, but feature limits usually decide the better fit. Since you're already writing in Word, GenText helps with citations and bibliography work that often comes next. If you're writing a paper, GenText handles citations and bibliography in